In this video, we will go over the prepositions of time in, on, and at. These prepositions are used to indicate when something happens. We'll also practice some fill-in-the-blank sentences to better understand these prepositions of time. Okay, so for in, we use the preposition in for months. For example, in January, in July. We also use it for years. An example would be in 2025, in 1999. It's also used for centuries, in the 21st century, for example. Also used for decades, in the 1990s, and also used for parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But there's an exception. We say at night, not in the night. So be careful with this one. Now, the preposition on, it's used for days of the week. For example, we use it like on Monday, on Friday, also used for specific dates. Some examples would be on March 22nd, on July 4th. These are specific dates. Also used for holidays with the word day. For example, we have on Christmas Day, on New Year's Day, and also for specific time expressions. Some examples would be on the weekend, on my birthday. Now, let's look at the preposition at, which is used for clock times. For example, at 7:30 a.m., at midnight, at noon. Also used for festivals and holidays, but without the word day. For example, we will say at Christmas, at New Year. So be careful with the specific time expressions from on, which is used for holidays with days. This one at, it's used without the word day. Another way we use the preposition at is for specific points of time. For example, at the moment, specific points of time like at lunchtime and at sunrise. Now that we have a basic idea of how we use these prepositions, let's move on and practice by filling in the blanks using some sentences as examples. So here's the first sentence we're going to practice. You can pause the video, and if you wrote down the information, the rules when using these prepositions, you can pause the video and fill in the blanks the correct answer. So the first sentence is, he usually studies blank space night. The answer is at night. Here's another example. We always visit our grandparents blank space Christmas Day. We always visit our grandparents. Blank space, Christmas Day. So our keyword here is day, which is used with on. So on Christmas Day. Here's another example. The store opens blank space noon. So the answer for this one is the store opens at noon. Here's another example. We will see you blank space the weekend. The weekend is our clue, so on the weekend. She was born blank space 25. So that's a year, and we use in for years. Let's practice a couple. You can pause the video and you can fill in the blanks, your answers. I love going to the blank space. I love going to the beach, blank space. Summer, so summer, long periods of time, so we use in. The train arrives blank space 5:30 p.m. So for clock times 5:30 p.m. we use at. We have a meeting blank space Monday. So on Monday. Here is another example. My birthday is blank space July. So July is a month and we use in for months. My exam is blank space March 15th. So 15th, a specific date. So we use on.